Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making this easy cupcake liner. This is an alternative for the store-bought cupcake liner that's very expensive. I went to a store, I wanted to get it was so expensive I had to turn my back. So I just thought, you are the DIY girl, so why don't you just make it? So I started researching and I came up with this. Just thought I'd show you guys how I did it, and this is what I did. I'm going to start by folding my parchment paper. Parchment paper is a brown parchment paper. It has a glossy side and a matte side. So the glossy side will be the one inside and the matte side will be the one outside, because you want to be able to peel your muffin so easily. I'm going to fold it that when I'm done, I'll have like a cross in the middle. That's to tell you where the middle is. So I'm going to put it on my glass cup and ensure that I make the center stable. I'm going to pinch it so much so that the long part of the paper would lay flat on the cup. Then I'm going to do that for the remaining three sides. I don't expect you to get it right the first time, but subsequent trials you're going to get it right. So I'm just going to continue doing this until I totally pinch the whole side. Please note that while pinching, you should ensure that the straight part, the triangular mouth, faces down and lays flat on the cup. That's just the criteria for pinching it. The last parts always seem to be very difficult, but it's not as complicated as it seems. So as long as you follow the rules, it would always work. Ensure that you pinch it so much that the other sides lay flat on the cup. When I'm done securing the four sides, I'm going to just rub on the sides, because if you don't secure the sides, the fold will open. So I'm just going to rub my hands on it so it forms that shape. So this is what your muffin cup looks like, or your cupcake cup looks like. So you can make this. It's so quick to make. You don't have to buy that very expensive pack. It was so ridiculously expensive. So guys, quick announcement: if you want to find out how to start your very own Greek yogurt, granola and parfait business, I have a training on how to go about it and how to cut costs, make gain, scale, package and succeed in the business of yogurt making. So if this sounds like what you like, check the eye icon or the description box below for the link to the training. It's just $14, which is 7,000 naira. You can pay in your local currency. This training is going to be online, so please check it out. Let's continue the video. Please note that I had to change the cup for the bigger one because the parchment paper was actually too long for the smaller cup. So this is what I use. So I'm just going to repeat the whole process on this, and voila, the same thing. So the good thing about this method is you can always make the size you want depending on how big you want your cupcake to be. If you even want to make a massive cupcake, you can use this method, because you wouldn't find a parchment paper for massive cupcake in the market. So it's foolproof. You can make this at any time. You can make as much as 100, as long as you can cut as much as 100. So the first one is the smaller one is 16 centimeter all round, and the bigger one is 18 centimeter all through the four sides. So this is the end result. This is what it looks like. Super easy to make. So if you try this out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that immediately. I'm begging. Okay guys, this should be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day and don't forget to keep safe. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want to learn how to start your yogurt business, please check the video to the right on how to go about it. Bye bye for now.